Hello, so today we will discuss nutrition in plants. So what is nutrition in plants? So basically nutrition means the way how the plants get their nutrition for preparing the food. So first of all discuss about the living and non-living organisms. So we all know that what is the basic difference between living and non-living. Living means those who can perform their functions by their own, whom can move from one place to another, who can grow. Whereas the same way the non-living things, they cannot prepare their food, they cannot grow, they cannot move from one place to another. In the same way living organisms respire, but the non-living organisms cannot able to respire. So these are the few difference between the living and the non-livings. Next part is the cell. So what is cell? Cells are the tiny units that help make up living organisms, and hence they are also called the building blocks of an organisms. You can see here the two cells in the diagram, animal cell and plant cell. So what is the difference you can see here? You can see the black hollow structure here, which is called the nucleus. In the same way in the plant cell it is not in the center, it is in the downward due to the presence of vacuole. Then what you see, the other thing is the outer membrane, that is called the cell membrane in plant cell. Both in plant and animal cell the cell membrane present, but in plant cell cell wall is present. Even the green color is called chloroplast. You can see the cell membrane, a thin outer layer, nucleus, a spherical structure which is located in the center part. Cytoplasm is what? The jelly-like structure which is surrounded in the nucleus. The next is the single and the multicellular organisms. The organisms that made of just one cell, that is called single cell. For example, amoeba. So multicellular means the organisms like our human beings, plants, we are made up of multiple cells because we are performing very complex actions. So that's why we are in our body found multiple cells. So we are multicellular organisms. Next topic is the nutrients. So what is nutrients? Certain substances are present in the food that help in survival of the organism. These special substances are called nutrients. For example, protein, vitamin, carbohydrate, mineral and fat. Some living organisms like plants synthesize their food by themselves, while other such animals depend upon the plants and other animals for their food. So what about the nutrients? So nutrients from the food what we are getting. Suppose you can see in the diagram here chart I did. So nutrients, the first one is a carbohydrate. From burger and the peanuts we can get carbohydrate. Then protein, fish, meat, we can get from this type of food, protein. Then fat, then vitamin, all the fruit, banana, orange, we are getting vitamin. And mineral, that is magnesium. The next is the mode of nutrition plant. So mode of nutrition plant is of two types. One is autotrophic and another one is the heterotrophic. Heterotrophic again divided into four types: insectivorous, parasitic, symbiotic and saprotrophic. So we will detail see these four kinds in the next parts. Here we will discuss autotrophs and heterotrophs. Before that, let us discuss about the nutrition. What is nutrition? So nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. How the organism they are taking their food and how their body utilize this food, this is called the nutrition. And nutrition is very much important. It also repair the damaged part and the organs like eyes, kidney, these are the organs. And nutrition also provide the energy for carrying out the various function in the body. So that's why nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organisms, and also it is the utilization by the body. So based on the mode of nutrition, we already see that how many types plant mode nutrition, that is two types. One is autotrophic and another is heterotrophic. Autotrophic means they can prepare their food by themselves, such as plants. So plant cannot go to anywhere and ask the animals for their food. Plant can able to prepare their own food. But heterotrophic means they depend upon the other organisms. So let's see how the plant prepare their own food. So remember, plant prepare their food with the help of certain raw materials from their surrounding only. It collect and prepare. In the diagram